So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a PowerPoint presentation from a YouTube link on ChatGPT. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So I would advise you to subscribe to my channel so that you can get useful information like this. So let's get started. So first thing first, we're going to have to click on the two dashes on the left of my screen. And so when I click on it, I'm going to use my video summarizer. So if you already have a video summarizer, you go ahead. If you don't have, you can watch my other video on how I got this video summarizer to do what it's going to do for me. So first and foremost, I'm going to go to YouTube to pick up a video so that I can summarize it and show you how we can turn it into a PowerPoint presentation. So I'm going to click the share button and I'm going to copy the link of this particular video on YouTube, and then I go back to my video summarizer. And so I've already set up the video summarizer. If you've not set up a video summarizer, you don't have one set up, then you can watch the video in the description link. They're going to show you how to set it up on ChatGPT. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this box icon that says summarize the steps and tips in this tutorial. So I'm going to now click on the YouTube video and click go. So it says allow. So here you can see that it already provided a summary of the video. So now that I've gotten a summary page on ChatGPT and make a request. So the request I'm going to be asking ChatGPT is to turn this information into a PowerPoint slide. So I'm going to I'll copy what's on this page. I'll just click selector. You can decide to do or select part of it as you want, but I'm going to click on selector. So I'm going to click on copy, and then I'm going to click on this icon on the right, this pencil icon on the right, and I'm going to request from ChatGPT, please turn the information pasting below into a presentation. I'll just put bracket PPTX. Then I'm going to come down and paste the document or the information. So I'm going to click send and allow it to process. So you say here's a well-structured PowerPoint presentation outline based on the tutorial summary you provided. I'll create a PowerPoint and ensure it captures all essential details. So you can see PowerPoint that has been created. And so let's go down to the end. So now it's asking me if would you like me to create the actual PowerPoint file and share it with you. I'm going to say yes, and I'll click send. So it's analyzing the information in order for it to create a PowerPoint link that I'll be able to download. So it's taking some time depending on your internet network, and so it's going to, so just wait for a while. And so when it is done, it's going to drop a link, and with that link I'll now be able to download the file. So here it says your PowerPoint presentation has been created. You can now download it here. So I'm going to click on download the PPTX file. So I'm going to click on it. So I'll click on open. So it's left for you to open it with any. You can decide to use Canva. You can use WPS, whatever platform. So let me use Canva this time around. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so you can see the document on Canva. So I'll click on it and open it up. So you can see the documentation on Canva. So on Canva now, you can now go ahead to give a more robust design, add images where relevant, videos if you need to. And so this is simply how you can create a PowerPoint presentation using ChatGPT from a YouTube link. That's as simple as possible. So if you enjoyed this video, click on my channel and subscribe. If you have any question, drop it in the comments.